guys, it's Shay from Shay's World, bringing you this very beginner friendly, easy date night makeup tutorial. Okay. As you guys can see, I am using the Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 Reloaded palette. And I am taking that on my number 8 brush from the My RayeRaye BH Cosmetics line. And I dipped it into that pink mauve color from the palette. Unfortunately, the palette doesn't have names to the eyeshadow colors, so I will be pointing to the colors that I am using in the video. But I am, like I said, placing that color all over my lid. I did use concealer as my eyeshadow base. I did not set my concealer. I don't like setting my concealer because I feel like when you do, the eyeshadows don't come out as pigmented and creamy as I like them to. So next, I will be taking a big fluffy blending brush from BH Cosmetics. It's from their pink and gold line. And I will be dipping back into that mauve color and just blending that eyeshadow all over my lid. Blending out any harsh lines that I have made occurred for a seamless, flawless eyeshadow base for the other colors that we will be adding on the lid next. So then, you guys, I'm going to dip back into the palette using that number 8 brush in that cranberry, gorgeous cranberry color that came from me. You guys, I repeat, I did not expect for this color to be as pigmented as it did. And it's very, very gorgeous. As you can see, I am placing that on my outer V area, blending it out. Next, I'm dipping back into the palette. I didn't show it in this part of the video, but I will later on. I dipped into this berry color, but it wasn't as dark as I thought it was going to be. So I will be mixing it with a black color later on in the line. So right now, I'm just going to be taking that number 5 brush again and blending out the outer V area for a flawless eyeshadow look. So next, you guys, I'm going to be taking the number 7 brush from the pink and gold line and dipping it into that berry color I was telling you about. And then I'm dipping into my RayeRaye eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. So I will be dipping into Black Beauty, mixing those colors to darken up my outer V area. So next, you guys, I'm going to be taking that number 8 brush again, which I do use this brush a lot in this video. But why use a whole bunch of brushes when you don't have to? Like I said, it's a very beginner friendly eyeshadow look. But I will be dipping back into that mauve pink color with that number 8 brush and just iterating that back into the eyeshadow look because I felt like it got lost a little bit. And we don't want nobody to get lost in this eyeshadow look. So I will be blending that back on the inner corner of my lid, or the inner half of my lid, I should say. And just putting that color back in there. So next, you guys, I will be dipping back into the palette, into this gorgeous cranberry shimmer shade. And you guys, I was not giving you the finger. Like I said, this video is very beginner friendly. If you don't have a whole lot of brushes, this video is for you, sis. It's for the people who don't have that much, but you like makeup, you like creating looks. This is for you. I made this for you. So I am placing that cranberry shimmer shade next to the outer V where I placed those those matte colors. Next, I'm dipping into that light berry shimmer shade, and I will be placing that right next to that cranberry shimmer shade and just giving it a nice gradient effect. And these shimmers in this palette, you guys, are so creamy and so nice. All the colors are. I didn't have any problems so far with the blendability of this eyeshadow palette. And I was very surprised because this is a $7 eyeshadow palette. So it is very, very worth the money. Like, yes. So next, I'm dipping into that baby pink shimmer shade. And I will be placing that in my inner corner of my eyelid to finish out this eye look. Like I said, very easy, very beginner friendly. We're already done with the eyes. Next, I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. This is in the color Caramel. As you can see, I blended it out with my Real Technique face brush. And this foundation is pretty bomb, you guys. Like, I really like it. I really do. So next, I'm taking my concealer, my Revolution concealer in C12. Now, when I bought this concealer, I knew it was kind of close to my skin tone, but I didn't think it was like that close. I do like a little bit of a lighter concealer. I usually go for like 2 or 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I don't try to overdo it, but it wasn't that bright. So you'll see me taking the NYX concealer, HD concealer, to brighten up a little bit, to give me that nice brighten effect in my T-zone that I also like to have when it comes to my makeup. And it pulled the eyeshadow look together because we was looking a little bit crazy at first, okay? So everything is coming together really nice, you guys. So after that, I will be blending it out with a damp sponge. It's not a beauty blender, it's a sponge. And I also got this sponge from BH Cosmetics. I believe it was only like $4, but it is bomb. It is a really good sponge, you guys. You should invest in it. Next, we're contouring the face. We can't forget about that. Contouring that big ass forehead I have. The nose, snatching the nose to make it look like I got bones right there. I have bones in my nose, you guys. But next, we're just blending that out. And then we're taking that same sponge with the leftover concealer to blend out our nose. Next, we're moving on to blush. My favorite blush from e.l.f. Bomb. Only a $2 blush. Get it. Spend your coins. Well worth it. If you guys thought we was not going to bake, you're on the wrong video. I used the Makeup Revolution banana baking powder. I don't bake for that long, and I dusted it off with L'Oreal's True Match Powder Foundation in Warm. Next, I'm taking my e.l.f. Kabuki brush and dipping into it's my RayeRaye Mocha color for contouring this face. Next, I'm taking my NYX black eyeliner pencil and lining my waterline. Then I'm just taking that Black Beauty from It's My RayeRaye in the berry color and putting it underneath my eyeline to finish off my eyes. Next, we dipped back into the It's My RayeRaye palette for her highlighters. I'm using Rayediant. I love that color. As you can see, it gives you that nice sun-kissed highlighted glow that I also love. And I did spray my face. I didn't show it on a video, but now I'm just putting on my mascara. I like to wait till after. And we are done, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you back on my next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and much love until the next time, you guys. Mwah.